Alright, hello, this is my first video, but, we're gonna open some Pokemon cards. Alright, first we got this box. It's the, Gears of Fire box, and it has Volcanion, on the front of it, so let's get into it. If I can, that is. Right now I'm in my sister's room, so you might want to ignore the pink bed. So here's the alright, so it's a green and white card, so if you wanna confirm that code, then there you go. Is it that way? Yeah, that way. Alright, so or was it that way? Whichever way it was. There's the code. So let's get into the deck. Team Siege deck. Which has 60 cards in total. And they are going to be... Alright, so first we have the energy cards. Obviously the fire energy. And then you have the Professor's Letter card. Litleo. Clang. Ultra Ball trainer card. Energy trainer card. We have Chimchar. Persian. Tierno trainer card. Another fire energy. Clink card. Pokemon. Shauna trainer card. Pokemon Center Lady trainer card. Another energy card. Meowth, which is not. Then we have a Rapidash, one of my favourite Pokemon. Then a fire energy Monferno, fire card. Then we have energy retrieval trainer card. Ponyta, the previous evolution of Rapidash. Some more energy card. Meowth. No, nothing really special about that. Clink Clang. Ninja Boy trainer card. More fire energy. Another Clink. Another Litleo. Another energy. Another Persian.
Yeah.
Another Chimchar. Another Professor's Letter trainer card. Another Clang. Another energy. Another fire energy thing. And this is what we were waiting for. The Volcanion card. So we'll leave that to the side. Retrieval card again. Energy. Meowth. Another Rapidash card, which I just dropped. Another Rapidash card. Energy card. Another Ponyta card. Another Persian card. Another Clink Clang card. Energy card. Tierno trainer card. Clink. Again. Clang. Then energy. Fire. Priroar, which is a decent card. Leave that to the side as well. Litleo again. Another energy card. Ninja Boy again. Monferno card again. Chimchar again. Energy card again. Ponyta again. and the Evolution Soda card. So we'll have that deck back down here. Oh, there's two. Oh, here's I think it's a holo. Volcanion. So we'll leave that in the. We'll put that on top of the deck. So now we have. Where are they? Some other. So here's a limited edition card, Sableye. With a 3 packs. 3 booster packs. Let's get this open. So here's a Sableye card. It's a limited edition card. There you go. So I'll leave that there. So we have one Shining Legends card. Packet, and then we have the Dragon Majesty packet, and then we have the Sun and Moon's Guardians Rising pack. So first we'll go with the Dragon Majesty, if I can get it open, that is. Can't get it open. This is my nightmare. Should have brought my pair of scissors up. Yeah, okay, let me just pop that. See in a second, I'm just gonna get some scissors for the cards. So now, I have my handy pair of scissors. Now let's open the Dragon Majesty card deck. Not deck, but booster pack, you know what I mean. So let's open this up. For God's sake. Let's do the card trick. Let me just quickly get it out. I think so. Off the back, 3 off the back. So it's a green and white code. So redeem that. And then so we've got Quagsire. I don't know if that's how you say it or not. Heatmore card. Vela Volcano Park. Trainer card. Wishy Washy card. Magikarp card. A Kangaskhan card. A Litten, looks like a cat card. Horsey card. And okay, we have, don't know what that is that a reverse card? Flygon. Cool card. So we'll put that in the good pile. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm getting these wrong, but here's another, same as the other one, but it's a different thing. One's called Altaria. So I'll leave that in there. Then we got a Fire Energy card. So let's leave those cards down here. So now let's open the Sun and Moon. Do you know, leave that until last. We'll open the Shining Legends card deck. So where's my scissors go? There they are. Let's open this up. Let's get these cards out. To the back. So green and white again. Reading that code on the game. Let's get 3, I think it's 4 off the back. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 4 off the back. So we got an energy card, like normal. Incineroar. Don't know if that's how you say it, but Incineroar card. Arbok, snake card. I got a Venusaur. That's a good It's a good Pokemon. I've got Totodile. Sick art, by the way. Bulbasaur card. Golett card. Chrono card. Litten card again. I've got a Stunfish. Don't know what. Sorry, but again, reverse card. Don't know. Shiny card. I really don't know, but we'll leave that over in the deck over there. And then we have a Latios card. Sick card. It's got like the hollow, I think. I don't know, it's hollow, whatever it is, but it looks cool. And it's yeah, so we'll put that in a good pile. We've got one more pack to go, guys. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. And we'll put the other cards down there. And then we'll chop this open. I just dropped it. So it's going to be the last pack of the day. And then, so take, okay, so I think it's, and it's a green and white card, so here you go, is the code. Redeem that on the game, online. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 off the back, put them on the front. So let's flip this over. So obviously an energy card at the front, like normal. Beware card. Looks like it's obviously a bear. And then Sligo card. No, nothing special. Fletchinder bird card. Salandit, it's a card. It's pretty cool. Murkrow, but it's a bird card. Snorunt is a this is a blue card. It looks pretty cool. Patrat, obviously a rat. Gligar, flying lobster, something like that. And then we've got the two, and we've got Sableye, another Sableye card, better than the other one. It's pretty cool. So put that in a good pile. Okay, guys, we have a Metagross GX card. Looks sick. So it's got Geotech System, Giga Hammer, and Algorithm GX. Sick card. So good pull to end the video. Put that with the good cards. So let's show you the cards we got today. Not the best pull, but we can still. So our Flygon again. We have our Altaria card. We have our Latios card. Our Stunfish card. Our Sableye card. And our Metagross GX card. And that was a good pull for the end of the video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're back. When should we do a next one? When should we do another one? Next week? No. Depends. So, I'll be uploading another one soon with same thing we did, but with a different deck, 60 card deck, and another one of these 3 packet cards decks. So hope you enjoyed the video. It's only 15 minutes, 14 minutes. Still hope you enjoyed, and I guess it's bye bye.